Greetings everybody, we're back again. This is Mzansi Football. Today with your presenter, Lojdoski. Yeah, I'm here with
Uphumlani boy.
Skipan Pram.
Angimnandi.
I'm Pram. We're back again, 10 May Nedbank Cup final. Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates. We're back again. This is a hard one, bro.
Tough fixture.
Yeah. Pram, we won a Ranjani game. Orlando Pirates wants to make history by winning this Nedbank Cup trophy 3 times in a row. Kaizer Chiefs, hey, Pram, if they lose, if they lose this one, Balanda 10 years, and then the first in 9 years, Pram.
Yeah, it's gonna be a tough match. Like kuzobe kunzima kakhulu futhi. Though I'm a Pirates fan, but then honestly, I ngiyayisabi Chiefs.
Sure.
I'm scared.
Plus, Prime Kaizer Chiefs, you know, like they have a lot of miracles. They can surprise you at any time. Yeah, well, can surprise you at any time. So Prime, now Pirates won back-to-back games. Kaizer Chiefs probably going to lose against the same team like Naxas. So what can you say Buffett, Orlando Pirates, Jose Rivero, my players, Kubegen Ganji?
Yeah, it's gonna be tough because judging from the last match, Chiefs scored like 2 minutes in the game. You know? So like you have to be very careful as a coach, and like to be honest, a coach doesn't need to change anything.
Yeah.
Mina coach ngibuyisela lesa scheme lesi yabo.
Yeah, so go Chiefs side, what do we say to Nabi and his players and say Buffett, let's change that lose against Pirates good Buffett. Saying a parallel you gunin Buffett to 9 years. Yeah.
Nah, Unabi is a coach, and even our players with Chiefs like equality, okay, no lie. We have Abomdu, we have Abo Villagaz. Okay, Villagaz Ugi Kosafa, it's fine. But then you have
Afcon.
Afcon. Yeah. But then you have Okastil. There was this gent Okastil akamfakanga last match. Like umfake, I think it was on the 80th minute.
No Miguel bangabafakanga.
Mina Nabi. Ngibuyisela lesa scheme, but then esikupini ngikhipha uMart, like ngikhipha uMart, ngikhipha uNgcobo. Ngifaka bani ngifaka uBlom. Ngiqala ngoBlom. Siya centralize ngithi. Ngifaka uBlom, and then attacking two yam, and then it's going to be Castillo, maybe release nomdu cause une pace. And then phambili ngibabulala ngoLilepo no Ashley cause bane pace. Pirates ayinayo pace emuva. Like he weakness leyo asinayo pace. So mina nguNabi ngirelease uAshley no Lilepo.
So Serino
ngimbeke ngaphandle. Phela ma coach mele ube ne plan A and then plan B.
Sure, cause you has vele too emotional plus ama big games aso. Yeah, so Prime makunje manje, and then I Pirates makuso phela nabo bayayidinga Bram, bayayidinga, they want to make history. Coach via manje, they want to say good farewell to coach.
Yeah, they have to push. They have to push our own line. But Pirates ikrene, but then kuma center mid, like I'm a playmaker. I play about playmaker. Like we are limited. We only have Odlamini no Maswangani. Abantu abama playmaker. So
Kimvuidi last game against Eros, 20 minutes of the match.
It was the first match in like
after a long time.
After 20 games as Dalile bengadlali. So yeah, uperformile last, but then I wouldn't like prioritizing imbeke at top. I will deal with Maswangani or Udlamini, and then second half or plan B. That's when we can say okay, Kimvuidi maybe some Tata neutralize whether a left wing or a right. It's a tricky one. Hey, because it's derby. It's a final or not like it derby. So both teams are gonna come out like.
Prime Pirates inenkinga ku striker Bram. Radio Pane, Mabasa, Mahopa, who do you start? Okay, Mahopa confidence yakhe buyilo kurila against Kaizer Chiefs, so to derby. Also Mabasa confidence yakhe buyilo kurila against Golden Arrows. Then Radio Pane bazamile ukumstarta, mara then they uyabona ukuthi struggle ngama muscle fitness, mesh fitness vele. So uthini?
Plan A, as I said, plan A and then plan B. Mina ngucoach ngiqala
ngoMahopa.
Yeah.
He's gonna score.
Not necessary to score, but then ama defender yawahlukumeza, like uyazi kumabhola phezulu whenever it's a goal kick, like we first man on the ball. So lawa ma drop ball, lawa ama second ball, I feel like abomfukeng nabonkotha banga neutralizer from them. But then for me na cause uMakhopo uyaphithizela emove khona, even though must attack aphinda be slow, but then ubusy like akarelaxanga, unlike Mabasa always uzohlala da.
So Pram, let's cut it short ne. Nedbank Cup final. Who's taking this one? Pirates or Chiefs?
Okay, cause ngiyibhakabhaka ngizothi ibhakabhaka, but then I'm gonna point it to ama penalty.
No, peg. Ungathi because uyipaka. Let's be honest. Manje bheka game. Yeah, bheka game. Who needs most?
Zoe too, because we Riveria via. So obvious.
Pirates wants to make history. Kaizer Chiefs 9 years without a trophy. Who's taking this one?
Nah, Pirates.
Pirates. Score prediction?
Ngathi 2-2 emdlalweni and then off to the penalties.
Siyawina kuma penalty.
Yeah.
And then who's scoring?
Ngathi Kaizer Chiefs. I can give it to Ashley because of the pace yakhe, and then I can also give it to, let me see, Modi. Yeah, Pule Modi.
Okay, and then Pirates?
Pirates, I would say Umfukeng.
And?
Nkotha, ngama long range wakhe, or Umbata.
Tango, Priam. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to this Mzansi Football channel. We're always analyzing football. Please don't forget to like. So that we can bring you more hot episode. Tango.